Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today. We're back with the hand I made in last month's pouring challenge, and I am going to collage a background. I'm using headlines from various news articles about famine, the environment, war. I'm making a slightly political piece, though you'll see it gets covered up quite a bit, about how we have really failed each other and failed our planet. Now I'm adding a glaze of Payne's Gray and glazing liquid. And lifting a little bit of that off with a paper towel. And now I'm mixing up a glaze, excuse me, with purple, and that's dioxazine purple, and lifting that. As you can see, I've left the background taped off so I don't get this all over the edge. Now what? Oh, that's a little too splotchy, so I'm going to dry it and do another layer of lighter glaze with the combination. Sorry about this voiceover. We've had spring weather here in the middle of August, and my allergies are killing me. Now this is a new thing. What's it for? I wish it had stayed looking that pretty, but it kind of faded. And oh yeah, I'm making a globe looking thing. This obviously is sort of abstracted. Now I'm going to pour on the atmosphere. And these are fluid acrylics in my fluid acrylic mix earlier, and in the first video I used my regular basic mix. I have to keep looking from the top because that's how it will be viewed. Oh, and here's some clouds. Sticking the globe in, using some liquid nails. And now I'm writing Bible verses. And I screwed up, and the first side was completely off camera. I still haven't figured out a way to do my camera now that the old way isn't available. These verses are about what God wants us to do with the earth and what He wants us to do with each other. I call this piece Failing Grade because we haven't done those things. Hope you like it. Come back again. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.